Let's head into the workshop because today we're going to look at a traditional medieval coat of plates. So what we're using for research today is the Osprey Knights Templar 1120 to 312 guidebook. So within the Osprey series is an entire history of the basic beginnings of the Knights Templar, but in this particular guide they have a wonderful section that goes through the armor, some battle scenes, and we're especially looking at a Knight Templar warrior around 1290. So in the Osprey layout, we can see that it's talking about the coat of plates worn over the top of the gambeson and how that fits with the mail hauberk and the tunic. If we turn to the back and we look at the details on that color plate, Osprey has here listed that these plates could be made of whalebone, horn, and boiled leather, as well as iron or steel. So let's see if we can find a modern version that comes very close to that traditional coat of plates. Okay, so the version that I found that I think comes very close was actually from Medieval Collectibles. They had a version called a traditional coat of plates that they have made of a really thick, nice leather suede material. It comes with really nice leather strapping on the back and a very substantial interior piece made of stainless steel 12 gauge metal plates encompassing the chest, the back, and then wrapping around the kidneys. So because this piece has those 12 gauge metal plates, it's quite heavy and it's very protective. So it's a super functional piece of armor. It does have the traditional strapping around the back, so you're probably going to want your squire to help you get this on. It does come with some very nice traditional medieval buckles, good leather strapping, 3 sets of those, and you can see that they're riveted really well, so they've put up with a lot of abuse. I haven't put a lot of time into this coat of plates yet, but we'll try it on and give it a look here, and you can kind of see how it does fit really well and it hugs the body, but it's a little bit tricky because it has this back flap that comes down that, while thick and protective, has to go behind these plates. So again, it's definitely not a piece of armor that's easy to put on yourself. Okay, so here's the coat of plates on. Obviously we'd have a tunic on over the top of this, but you can see from the back that I was only able to get 1.5, if that, of those straps attached to myself. So it's almost impossible to get this put on without any help. It is more of a traditional design because those